All right, our Stickles is completely dry, and I also took the time to glue our embossed piece onto the card base. So I'm going to lay these out very similar to what I already had for my sample card because I like that layout. And obviously, if you're doing this on your own, you could cut doubles or triples of certain flowers that you like. You don't necessarily have to keep it as one of each from what is in the set. I just did it that way because it made it a little bit easier. So I'm going to glue each one of them in place. And you can probably see that I tend to glue from the back to the front so that I'm not tucking things beneath something that is already glued, possibly pulling it up. This one we can just put it to the side because I don't need it. Don't need it in the way. I'm gonna actually put this down a little bit, put it between those petals there. And by having these ones in place, it just gives me an idea of how much space I have and how much room I have to move. This one, though, I don't have to worry about having something that could rehydrate on the back, so you can actually put it down and then move it if you don't like exactly where it is, because you're not going to have any color or anything that gets transferred. There we go. Now this last one here. Perfect. So it is flipping up a little bit from the glue, so I am going to put my embossing folder on top of that and hold that down to dry for a few moments. And then I'm going to put some foam pop dots on the back of my sentiment that I've already picked out. Definitely need to put the weight on here before you put the sentiment because I'm putting the foam pop dots on it, so it would be raised up, so it wouldn't be, the embossing folder wouldn't be laying flat down on there. So let's see if that was enough time. This glue dries fairly quick. Probably could have used a few more minutes, but that's okay. I'm gonna put this guy on here anyways from our sentiments. And not a whole lot of difference between the sample and what we made in the class, other than the fact that I used the bronze color instead of the walnut stain. But there you go. I'll see you in the next video, and we will start our third and final card.